Yeah, that's the body work.
Jab and body. Andika is not the test of Reggie Suganov's life, ano? Andika, the Filipino. Of course, we want to see Janelle also be a champion in boxing partner.
Oh! Nice 1-2 by Reggie Suganov.
Matapos ang era ng ating pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao, ay sumunod naman sa kasikatan sina Donaire, Veloria, Nietes at ngayong patapos na naman ang kanilang pamamayagpag sa larangan ay may mga batang boxer na naman ang susunod sa yapak ng ating mga pambatong Pinoy boxing champion. At isa na dito ang 25 anyos na tubong Dawis Bohol at ito ay si Reggie Suganov alias Filipino Phenom. Sa kanyang amateur career ay ilang beses itong nag-champion. Isa na dito ay noong nanalo siya sa Philippine National Games Elite Men's Flyweight Division taong 2018. Sa kaparehong taon ay pumasok na bilang professional boxer itong si Reggie Suganov at dire-diretso na ang mga panalo nito. Matapos makakuha ng 11 sunod-sunod na panalo at wala ni isang bahid na pagkatalo ay may tigasing Indonesian undefeated boxer ang pinadayo dito sa Pinas para subukan ang tibay at tapang ni Kabayan. Ito ay si Andika, the Golden Boy alias Andika Sabo. May malinis na record ito na 19 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw, 8 via knockout. Habang itong si Suganov naman ay may impresibong record din na 11 wins, 0 loss, 3 via knockout. Non-title fight at naka-schedule lang ito sa 10 rounds. Magkasing tangkad at magkasing edad lang din ang dalawa at parehong orthodox. At sa laban nga ay muling pinamalas ni Kabayan ang kanyang husay sa bakbakan. Pinakita niya ang galing sa galawan at pagiging technical boxer na kung saan bugbog sarado ang inabot nitong Indonesian na dayo. Kahit paman ay sinasayawan lang siya ni The Golden Boy ay di nawala sa focus si Kabayan. Mas focus lang itong gulpihin at mantsahan ang malinis na kartada ng dayong kalaban.
Oh! Nice 1-2 by Reggie Suganov.
Andika, the Golden Boy, the Filipino Phenom, Reggie Suganov!
Check yourselves at all times. Good luck. God bless both of you.
This is it, partner. This is it.
Sa mga gustong tumalpak dyan sa legit online betting ay i-recommenda ko ang 1xBet. Malalaki ang odds, mabilis lang mag-deposit at syempre mag-withdraw. Pwedeng gumamit ng GCash, bangko, cryptocurrency at marami pang iba. At pwede kang makakuha ng up to 7,000 pesos bonus sa unang deposit mo. Magpa-register lang kayo gamit ang link na nakapin sa comment section sa ibaba at huwag kalimutang gamitin ang ating promo code sa unang deposit mo para makuha mo ang bonus na up to 7,000 pesos. At sa mga magtatanong kung paano mag-register at mag-deposit, naglagay na din ako ng link ng video sa comment section para di na kayo mahirapan pa. Madami kang sports na pagpipilian. Pwede kang tumalpak sa basketball, UFC at syempre boxing. Kung trip mo naman ang online casino ay marami din dito. Matataas ang odds, kaya ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Talpak na!
Third man in the ring. Round 1. Yes.
Ready to talk.
And Reggie Suganov, City.
Always sticking that jab.
1, 2,
Olympic.
for sure. Asher, parang computer yan. Oh. Hindi ka daw Golden Boy is excited.
Filipino.
Tama.
And this
Ano at Indonesian almost has the
Oh,
same
nice.
jab, hook straight
oh,
and
nice body
upper.
work by
Yes.
Suganov.
Round 3.
Nice.
Counter guard. Medyo language barrier. Dito mo makikita yung maturity ni Regis Suganov TK.
Yeah. Mahilig sa'yo na si
Oo.
Round
Kung
4.
ganon. Yeah, recovered very well.
Oh! Nice one, two. By Reggie Suganov.
Of course, definitely a champion. Ano, he is up.
May presensya ng Suganov.
Yeah. Ito si Andika,
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
He's waiting for Reggie to make mistakes. Oh, good move by Andika. Opponent to come in with punches and wow. Definitely someone will get dropped. Good hook straight by Reg. Power
Yeah.
of Reggie Suganov's jab is he's
Yeah.
Okay, a flurry.
End of round number 4.
Round 5.
Kumbaga, let your hands go.
Oh, pumasok
good
yung
straight,
kanan.
full use of jab or Andika's ano. Nag-aabang si Andika eh. He's yet to show.
Ah,
Wow. Nung round na ito, partner.
Round- yes.
Facebook advertising
Yes.
in Kumong,
Salamat.
Bolanon TV.
after he... Yeah, that's the body work for Reggie
Jab and
Suganov.
body. Andika is not of Reggie Suganov's life, ano?
Round 6.
Kasi sa kanan, ayun, pumapasok sa kanan.
Hook breaking into the guard of Andika, the golden boy. And Andika is waiting
Nice
for him
body
to
work
commit
by
mistakes.
Suganov.
And of course,
Round 7.
eto na partner. Tumama yun.
Nice body.
Nice body shot. Bolanon TV. Is in the blue trunks. Oh,
Nice body again by...
shout out kay Nilo Butay, no? Ito na naman, nasa ropes na naman si Andika. Shout out Dada na itanap.
Oh, nice left by Suganov.
Also partner being a
Round 8.
confused Reggie Suganov with his antics. Oh, good body shot. Ikan pa lang alam mo na kung kakasama.
Oh, nice up.
Tama ko dyan. Oh my, 1,000 viewers.
Ano kaya ito ni
Yes,
Arjun?
definitely baka family.
Trying to set up that right. He's not pumping the left.
Partner, I think it's the first for your kind words. Marami.
Round number
Shout out
9.
daw sa kapatid ni Reggie Suganov. Bro, you can weaken the arms by punching. Pag tight guard na ganyan, partner.
Nice body work.
Wow, yeah.
Go! Nung una tayong nag-show, salamat tayo sa...
Yes. Kumbaga, hindi pa rin siya kumpiyansa. Natawa sila parehas. He will explode with. Shoutout, kulang doon si Joey Canoy sa ring.
Oh!
Oh,
Give a third for the body shot.
uppercuts. He sends
End of round number 9.
And final round.
Yes, last round na po tayo. Last round na po yung first round hanggang 10th round.
Yes.
Reggie Suganov is pumping that jab.
partner. What does Andika need to do
Oh my!
to steal this bout?
Sa panonood ninyo. Super
Tama.
featherweight.
Of course, we want to see Janelle also be a champion in boxing,
Yes.
partner. Ito na, partner. Very, very excited na yung ating mga fans.
End
Wow.
of the fight, ladies and gentlemen. After 10 rounds of professional, still undefeated, Reggie, the Filipino Phenom, Sugano!
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.